Hi everyone, good morning. So yeah, any doubts? Hi everyone, good morning. Yeah, go ahead with your doubts.
Hi Rajeshwar, good morning.
Hi, good morning. Yeah. Hey, hi Mike, how are you? Been a long time.
Hello. Hi Raj.
Hi.
It's been a long time for me.
Yeah, man. I think it's like a very long time. How are you? How are you, Mike?
I'm, I'm good. I'm good.
Okay. How is
I,
you're working on Tableau, right?
yep.
Great, great. Okay, okay. The
I have
second is on.
a good question for you today.
Oh, go ahead, go ahead.
So I'm trying to work with some superstore data,
Mm-hmm.
and I mean, I wanted to, I wanted to see if I could look at a customer and the category of furniture, and I want to be able to filter on when furniture was ordered before office supplies by customer. Like that scenario.
Okay. So you mean to say this is the customer name
Customer. Yeah.
and I am bringing category here
Yep.
and then I am bringing order date.
Order date.
Yeah.
Yep.
Exact date and then discrete and here it is. Okay. So now you mean to say like this, right? So office now furniture here office supplies is ordered before furniture.
Right.
So you want to find all those customers who have ordered.
Yep.
So now there is another doubt of mine. So in Superstore data from the starting itself, from the starting, who have ordered before office supplies, right? Like if here there is one more date, right, for office supplies. Let me check that somewhere. I should be having that. Like more than now, see here there are multiple office supplies, multiple furnitures,
Yep.
right? So when that is the case, also the first ever purchase he has
Yes.
done, right?
Yes.
Okay, then let's try to solve this. First I'll take a day level custom date at the day level. Indeed, it's a good scenario, Mike. Yeah. So now let me write an LOD. Here I am taking fixed customer name and category. Okay. And here I am taking min of order date. Okay. And now, okay. Uh, this is my okay. Cust cat order. Okay. Now I am bringing this in here. Exact date and then discrete. Now this is giving me my every category. So not this. My category level, whatever is the minimum order date that I'm getting. Okay. Now in this, what I will do is I have my customer name, category, and the first ever order. So now I am taking in this fixed customer name Wait. So furniture, office supplies, and technologies. Okay. Column. If category is equal to, I'm separating it. Furniture,
Yep.
then cust cat order date. And now here I'm just taking max. Doesn't matter because it is a single thing. I'm just taking max on there. Doesn't matter what aggregation we take, but here I'm taking max or min, anything we take. For min or okay. Now I am bringing it in here. Exact date and then discount. Now again for min order date, I'm duplicating this, and here I am putting here rather than furniture, I'm putting office. This is my office supplies. I didn't rename it, but this is my office supplies. Now, if whatever you want. Now, if you want those customers who bought furniture before office supplies, then it's just if this less than this, then customer name. Okay, now I am bringing this in. Now see, if he has bought furniture before office supplies, this guy also bought furniture before office supplies. This guy got furniture before office supplies.
Excellent.
Is that what your requirement is?
Exactly. This
Oh,
works.
yeah.
That's good. That's a different way than I was thinking, and that works. That gets exactly what I need.
Great, great, great. So,
Yeah, hi Raj.
hi. Just a minute, Mike. If you want, there is a recording in my YouTube channel, so you can get
Okay.
it.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, guys. Others doubts?
Hi Raj, sure, I will share my screen.
Just a minute. Go ahead.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, so in this one, different min and max date are there, right? So requirement is they want to, the min and max date should be same. These are the dates from 4 data sets. So, but they want min and max date should be same
How
for all
can
the data
no, no,
sets.
no, wait. You are saying now what if what now which should be the base? Like
This should be the base. Field event date is the
so
base.
you are sure that there is no database which has like date after that, right? Here, what is the date there? 4/3/2012, right? 2020.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
there is no other database which starts somewhere from 10/3/2020.
No.
Okay, so this will always be the least date. This date.
No. This one already below one, you can see 2021 is there.
No.
But
My point is no other. Now you are having the min date in here, right? In
yes.
other databases, there will be no date which is more than this min date, right?
Yeah. Yes.
You mean
That's
to
correct.
say now the question I'm asking is because today it is 4/11/2022, right? If I want to put this as min date in another data source, right? In another data source, if there is no 4/11, the minimum date itself is 15/11/2022, then your thing will not work.
No, that's not.
That's not the
It
case,
is
right?
not. That's not
Then
the case.
do one thing. You need like if I'm understanding it correct, you need to filter these data, right?
Yeah.
Whichever are coming before that min date, you don't want to show that data.
Yes.
Am I right?
Correct.
Then do one thing. Pass these min and max values from this database, this data source, whatever you are seeing, pass these into a parameter.
Yeah. Actually, I done that one.
And right
I
in
created
other,
the parameter.
yeah, in other databases, no, you didn't. Okay, edit that. No, you are taking just a date. You need to take that max date. So
In the
you,
parameter.
yeah, you need to write an LOD to create the max date.
No, I want all the dates between min and max date.
Yeah, that is exactly what I'm saying. You need to
Okay.
create a parameter with min date and max date. Now these two parameters you need to use in other data sources 1, 2, 3 and manager event. Where in data source filter you will be writing a calculation order date greater than this parameter. Okay,
Greater than or equal to.
let me share my screen.
Actually, here when I'm creating the min and max date, it is taking the current value only. Max date also it is showing min date only. Even
No,
I
open
this one.
that calculation. Open that calculation. Yeah, you just took. It's
No,
not an
not
LOD,
that one.
right?
So
It
I
is.
took the parameter. So when I take the
It is
max
not
of
the
that one.
case. No. You need to create an LOD to get the min and max date. You want the min and max date of a database, right?
Okay.
Let me share my screen. I'll tell you.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Just give me a second. And there is no mock interview guys today because no one has sent me resume. So the mock interview has been shifted to the and the next Friday. So if you want those mock interviews, please do share me the resumes. Then only I will be able to take. Just a moment. And there is no mock. Okay. So let me come here. Now here I have two data sets, right? Now in this I am editing a data source. I'm just making this ready. Here in the order date I am taking years. I'm not taking 2020. Okay. So this database has from 2019 data, right? The other database has from 2020. So now I want to apply in such a way that this will also show me 2020 data from 2020, like 1st Jan 2020, whatever it is.
Yes.
So for that, in this data source, I'll be writing a grid. Again, I'll be creating another script. Max order date. Max order date. Now create, and when workbook opens, right, then I will be taking from the copy to I will be taking max order. In the same way, main order. When workbook opens, main order. Let me do one thing here. Let me remove this also 2022 as well. We need to show man for this one also, right? So max and min both should get applied. So now I have two parameters, min order date and max, min and max order date. So in this, the other data source where I should filter, I'm writing my calculation order date greater than or equal to min order date parameter. Okay. Again, I'm writing another calculation. Order date greater than or equal to, sorry, less than or equal to max order date parameter. Right? Now I am going into data edit data source filters. Let me take calculation 7, okay, and 2. And again, calculation 8. Okay. And now if you see, okay, now the problem is this max. This is when what
So fixed means it will automatically fix it, right?
yeah, it will
when
get the minimum order date in the database and max order date. So
yeah,
by
when we
that,
put open, it will whenever the refresh data, dates
yeah,
will be
it
switched.
will also take that refresh. You got your point, right? Here it is not giving proper output is because perfect. Now you'll even see this 2022 is also gone. Okay. Here I need to mark this. Here data source filters. Yeah. It's too smelling. I need to remove false as well. Then this 2022 is also gone. So that is how you will make sure all the database data sources have the same date. But
Yeah.
okay. Okay then, guys, any
So
doubts?
only one particular data set only.
Yeah, based on one data
Correct.
set, you are mapping. You can, or if you have another data source, do the same calculation on
Yeah.
other. You can have multiple
Yeah.
data sources. You can apply same parameters on all the data sources.
But base is only one
Yeah, only
data set
one.
only, right?
Yes.
Yeah. We
You
cannot
want,
take multiple data sets, right?
you
Then it is
can
not
create
possible.
more parameters. Based on that, write your calculations. There's
Okay.
no
But even
need.
after refreshing the data also, then
Yeah,
there will be
whenever
not problem.
whenever workbook opens, so that is the reason here I took this option, right? When workbook opens, it will take from this. In future, there is a new date that is coming. Then that new date will be here. That new date will be used in this calculation, and that will be applied in the data source filter. So the filtering is done accordingly. Okay.
Okay. I will check that.
Great.
Thank you, Raj.
Thank you. Okay. Any other doubts, guys?
Hello.
Yeah. Hi.
Yeah, hi. This is Rajesh.
Hi, Rajesh.
So actually, I have a query regarding the mobile view. So I have prepared the dashboard to get the mobile view. Just I have used the auto generation of mobile layout option. So what's the problem I am facing is, so if we view the dashboard in the mobile, in horizontal view, we are getting the mobile view. If we landscape the mobile, we are seeing the desktop version only.
Okay.
So if you
Yeah,
have,
yeah. Obviously, you might have adjusted for the vertical view, right?
it's actually in the dashboard, if I check for horizontal and vertical, it seems good. And one thing is like, even if we see mobile version Tableau public, either it's horizontal or vertical, in Tableau public, it's looking fine. If we see in our company side the same dashboard, it's looking even, it's not looking mobile version landscape view. Suppose if you have the mobile, you can check that one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm getting your point. When you're rotating,
Yes, yes,
it is
exactly.
happening in every mobile or any particular mobile?
In every mobile, in horizontal, we are getting the mobile version. In vertical, I mean, in landscape, we are not getting that.
So you have fixed the layout for both horizontal as well as vertical. What do you say that? The versions.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. But both of them you have adjusted, but you are not able to get for horizontal.
Yes.
That should not be the case.
So, actually, So if you have the mobile, you can check once that I can see there.
No, but I don't have any link, right? You are sending me the link or something?
No, that can be seen in Google itself. Let me share that thing.
Put that in Telegram group.
Yeah. Or you can search with that message in the text box I have sent now.
Okay.
Global state of consumer factor.
This one?
Yeah, the first one. Yeah. So once go back. Click on the second one. Yeah. I think this is not on. Okay, let me share the link.
So did you lock that view, this size? Did you? Okay, okay.
No, I have not logged it. Actually, while publishing, it was fit with the custom and the lock was opened.
Okay. No, can't you lock this?
Actually, if we log that one, the view was changing, so that's why I have not logged that one.
Okay. The reason is, I think one reason is, I'm not sure what is the pixel of mine.
Just now, I have textured the link of that
Just
website.
let me check the number of pixels. Okay. See, the problem is here what I see. I'm not sure whether this is the actual point or not. If you see the pixel resolution is 2400 into 1080, right? Mac pixels. What is the max one? So see. So
Yeah.
I think the problem here is the number of pixels. Generally, what Tableau does is, or any, because Tableau does everything based on the pixels. Here, if you see, I'm dragging and going to dashboard and going to default and I'm dragging. Whatever the size it is showing here, right, it is based on pixels.
Yes, okay.
So now my doubt is, right, as you are moving it towards the horizontal, right, the number of pixels that are present are somewhere now here in the phone. Where is this? In the phone, if I go, there is. I think you might have taken Fitol.
Fitbit.
You took Fitbit. So
Yeah.
when you have taken Fitbit, the problem is it is fitting according to the number of pixels and it is matching to your actual dashboard. So that is why I think it is showing you the total dashboard, like your desktop dashboard level view.
Can you repeat it once again?
See, my point is here somewhere we might be putting certain pixel values here. Now here, if you see my phone resolution, the pixel resolution, and it is almost the same.
Yes.
So now when you are, even if you are opening it in your mobile, it is somewhere matching. The size of these are somewhere matching. When you turn it horizontal, somewhere the size of your dashboard and the size of your dashboard on your mobile, they are matching the same pixel, and that is why I think it is going back to default. My assumption.
Okay. So here, click on the device preview on the left side. Yeah. So actually, if we click on the toggle button on the left side of mobile app. No?
Yeah.
I think it's a rotate.
Mm-hmm.
On the left of Tableau mobile app.
Where?
There, side, right side of mobile.
I'm not able to see. Sorry. Where is that? I can't see any mobile here. Phone you're saying?
We have the layout device preview on the side of mobile, right side of that.
Yeah.
Towards right. A small icon.
Okay, this one.
Yeah.
Okay, then you can fix it for this size, right? Now my point is, why don't you fix the width?
Actually, the width is fixed for horizontal and it's separate for vertical.
Yeah, then you took how many pixels did you take here?
860.
So that is your width in your dashboard in your desktop as well?
No, it's not.
Then it should not give a problem. Okay, do one thing. Do ping me on send me a direct message on Telegram. Let's discuss because it's a bit interesting. I'm interested in this. Let's take this offline. Okay.
And
Raj,
hello.
Raj, sir, just now I discussed with you, right? In the parameter, it is not showcasing the date value calculated field actually.
You did some mistake there.
Sorry,
You did
just now
some-
minimum date.
Yeah, you didn't take. I think you didn't take an LOD. If I'm not wrong.
One second. Can you show me that one?
You can do one thing. Go to YouTube. You can watch the same whatever I have did. You can redo that. If you get any doubt, we can discuss on Monday. Okay? Because there are other doubts, right? That is why.
Yeah. Just 1 second. Actually, you written the LOD for that one.
Yes, LOD. Oh, okay. Let me do one thing. Here, you remember those calculations, right? I am publishing this in my tablet.
So, can you share your Telegram link for the direct message?
Just 1 second. Can you open that calculation, Raj?
Min and max.
Yeah.
Guys, if anyone have, can you please share that Telegram link in here? I'm in the meeting, right? Where is it? This in here.
Okay, got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, guys, any other doubts?
Hi, Parishwar.
Hi.
Actually, I'm having a doubt regarding can we pass multiple column data in parameter that will refresh automatically?
Multiple column data. I didn't get you. You want to pass more than one column
list
data
form,
into
in list
parameter.
form.
Pardon?
In list form, in list view, can we pass multiple column data?
I still didn't get you. Can you? It's now here. You are saying you have somewhere around. If there is a category.
Just can you go through the creating parameter?
Okay.
In list view, in the lower side, allowable values. So we can add multiple. We can add the data from the value of the columns, but in right side of this one, when workbook opens, right side fixed and workbook opens, can we pass multiple column, like whenever it opens and it will refresh that column?
My first question is, why do you want to pass multiple columns?
Because I need a filter actually, which needs the two column data.
Okay, you need two columns data in one. Do you have this freedom to create another data source? Do you have that freedom?
No, I have no freedom actually.
Because if that is the case, I suggest you write a query with unioning those two and then bring them into one value and do that. But we are saying it is not possible.
I know this is a solution by doing union actually, but from the Tableau point of view, can we do this one?
A bit doubtful about that. The reason
Actually,
being,
we can add, we can add the both the data source, but there is an issue of updating. Actually, it won't update. It will fix in case of fix, because when I try to do when the workbook opens, it will add only one column on that scenario.
now I have a workaround, but it will be a bit complicated. Not complicated, a bit tricky actually. So here I want to add category and segment, both the values in my parameter, right? That is what you want, right? These two should be furniture, office supplies, technologies, and below that consumer, corporate, and home office. That is how you do, right? Yeah. So now what I will do is I'll write a calculator. If year of order date is equal to 2021, then category. Else, segment. Right? Now here I am bringing my calculation. What are we getting? We are getting all of them. Now on this I am creating a column. And when workbook opens also, let me go to this. When workbook opens also in this 2, I can take this calculation 3 which is giving you 1. Will this work for you?
Yeah, I will try this one.
Yeah. So, but do one thing. The column that you are taking in this calculation, something like this, it should always have a variable more than one value. And whatever value that you are using here, it must and should be present there. If you are taking date, if you have more than 1 year of data, then I suggest you take date. So here you can take year of 2, right? So this you always have that information. So this category will be coming. You'll be having another year data. So this is also holds good. Okay.
Yes, got it. Apart from this, is there any way? I think Tableau doesn't provide this feature of multiple selection in parameter.
No, the problem. See, Tableau, any relational database when it is working, right, it has certain limitations, or it's not a limitation. It's the way it works. When you take a value, right, when you are entering values into a parameter, right, it takes value from a single column, right? Now, can't we add more than one value into the column? We can, but we can do manually. Right? I am adding this, and then
writing
I can add it manually. But if you want it automatic, when workbook opens, the problem is when workbook opens, we can only select one column. Now, if you go and select another, it is not there. So that is the reason what I am saying is pop those values into the same column using some conditional logic, like I have written in here.
Yeah, got it.
This and as long as there is a value for there is a value that will give true for this and also true for else, this will always stand good for you. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, guys, anyone doubts?
Yeah. Hi, sir.
Hi.
So my question is about subscription part.
Okay.
So I just want to know some details. So I did some research on this, but somehow I do have some couple of questions. So that's why I just want to check with you. So my data is like clinical data. It's all about the patient details and the reports. So my dashboard has multiple practitioners, like multiple doctors. So the multiple doctors depends on the KC filters, like some doctors are some types, some crawl or some FKP like that. So I want to create a row level security like in my dashboard. So for that I need to create a calculated field. It is can I, because I watched some like row level security videos on Tripod Analytics, but somehow I'm not able to find it. So for that, do I need to create a username on the provider
See,
name
when it
column?
comes to row level security, there are two types of row level security. One is user filter. Now, this is Tableau prep, so the Tableau public, I cannot show you the user filters, but one is user filters, where now you are saying different practitioners, right?
Yes,
So
different
it
practitioners.
will make sure that only that practitioner can see only that data. Is that
Yes,
what your
exactly.
requirement is?
Yes, yeah.
Then using user filters, you can do it.
Okay, creating the user filters. Okay, so like in one filter, there are four types of thing. Okay, four types of KCE filters. So like 10 practitioners or comes into one type of filter, and another 25 practitioners or comes into another type of filter. So that like once I create a user filter in dashboard, and then I need to create a groups in Tableau server as well, right?
Yeah, you can see when you are assigning the assigning permissions to via user filter, you can do it at a user level or you can do it at a group level.
Okay, I can use it. Okay, I can do it in user level, and also I can do it in
Yeah,
a
group
group
also.
level.
Yes, you have a group in your Tableau server. You can assign those permissions to that group level as well.
Okay, and have to do it. I have to create a user in dashboard as well, or only just I can
No. You
create a
need
group.
not that. See, when you want to use user filter, that user should be present in your data, right? No, you have 25.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, then you
Yeah.
can use that. You can use that group. And now here, when you have a group of people, supposedly, if you have, let me take a customer. Okay. Now here, if you want Aaron Bergman to see only East level data, then for that person, you will be selecting East in the region in user filter. I don't have now, I cannot show you that, but you have idea, right? User filters?
Yes, the
Ah,
user filters.
yeah,
So
now
it comes on
I'm
the
talking
server page,
about
right?
the
Server
next
option.
level. I'm talking about the next level where you are assigning values at group. Here, this is segment, right?
Yes.
Now, if I give access, now there is a group, and for this group, I imagine this is a group. This is not a database field.
Yes.
Imagine this is a group. Then I will give access to only West region, right? For this group,
Yeah.
then at a group level, they can only see West region data. They cannot see other data.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So, and also I have another question, sir.
Mhm.
So my question is, so I need to subscribe those practitioners on a daily basis. So there is a big table, okay? I need to send the table like on daily basis. So for the subscription part, there are like only two options: image and PDF.
Yes.
So image and PDF. So let us say if practitioners have more data, because they do have the dashboard have some couple of filters. So I'm not sure if I send it like an image or PDF, they cannot filter the data, right? So is there a way we can send like Excel or CSV format using subscription?
Not subscription. I think they can download the data from their end. Not sure about the subscription part where we can send a CSV. That I need to check with the server experts. If anyone is there, any server expert, if you can help us on this. Guys, any server experts? Okay, let me actually, I'm planning to bring one server expert a week. Let's see. But for this, I don't have any answer right now.
Okay.
I'll try to. You are in Tableau Raipati group, right?
Yeah.
Then do one
I'm in
thing.
that,
I will ask. There is a server expert. I'll ask if he's free. Then he can help you in the Telegram group directly. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, guys. Any other doubts?
Hi, Rajesh.
Hi.
So I have my question is, I have one doubt. In rows I have a state and city fields, and in columns I have a sales. So in this case, I'll be getting under each state multiple cities. Okay.
Wait. Let us. I am bringing state and I
Yeah.
am bringing city. Okay, and sales in columns. That is what you are saying.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay. So my requirement is under each state, I need top 3 or top 4 city names to display, and rest of all the city names should be as others. I don't want the rest of city names to display. I want to show them as others.
Okay, you want to show top 5 and the rest as others.
Others. It's a single bar.
Okay. So you want to show top 5 in each state and top. Okay, here let's consider top 3 in each state, and rest you don't want even city name or state name. You just want others, right?
Yeah, I don't want city now. I just want to display as others.
Okay, you want the state name, but in the city you want to name as others.
Correct.
So here getting the top 3, you can do that. Again, after that, let us attempt this. So in the state itself, you need other, right? That is what you're saying. In
Yeah,
the
in the
state,
city column. City column.
yeah, in the state, I should display top 3, and the rest should be others, right?
Correct, correct. Under each state, that should be the visualization.
Okay. 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 I should have a way to remove these two and put that in. If I have this situation, if I remove city, it is not going to work. You want to show it as others, but here the problem is I should be finding a way to remove these as well. And I cannot use in the city for others to get one more over others. The problem here, what I'm facing is the granularity issue. Here, the granularity, I should, if I can be able to control this granularity, wait, use 6. Okay. If I take a if I take a dot even if I can filter this, it is not going to help us, right? Because somewhere I'll be having others. This is also not going to help us because this others is going to remove that value altogether. Okay, now I'm not getting any solution. Give me some time. If I get the solution, I think you posted it in Tableau Vipati group, right?
Yeah, I was in
Yeah. So if I get any solution, I'll think on that. If I get any solution, I'll post it there during this Saturday and Sunday. Today's Friday or Thursday? Friday, right?
Friday.
Yeah. Monday we'll be having other session, right? By that time, if I get in meanwhile, I'll post it in the group. Else we'll discuss this on Monday. Okay?
Sure. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, guys. Any other doubts?
Yeah,
Yeah, go ahead.
actually, can you please write the measure names in column, measure values in the row?
Pardon?
Can you type measure names in the columns and measure values in the rows?
Measure names and measure values. Okay.
Yeah, measure names in the columns and measure values in the rows.
Okay.
Can you please change to Gantt chart waterfall chart? Yeah, and the measure values in the size and label.
Measure values in the
Size and label, size in the marks.
okay, size and
Same measure value in the label.
okay.
Yeah, here inside the bar, I want the percentage. And now I can get only the count in the upside up, and in the middle I need the percentage of the each,
no.
the total percentage.
I don't think that is possible at this sheet level. The reason being, when you are now this is whatever it is doing based on your yeah, it is doing based on the total values that are the measures that are present in here. So I'm not sure if you can do that, but the other way that you can do is you can overlap a sheet. You can duplicate the sheet, and rather than showing this, you can convert all of these into again. But if you convert these, the problem is this sizing you will not get.
Yeah, actually, you want like the client has a like waterfall chart. If in the sort, if you change the sort, and then is asking the one more scenario when the bar is ended, like, and the another bar should be start from the where is ended in the like side chart also.
This once I have done this, but it is not that easy. It's a bit complicated. What I have done is, I'll just give you if I do think that it will take more than half an hour or 45 minutes.
Okay.
Now here, if you see, you are having these, right?
Yes.
Now what I did is, I used individual sheets for every one of this.
Okay, got it.
And then I have placed them in such a way here that it will look like one. Now then, yeah, you can show your values, percent of total, everything you can show. You can even place this according to your sizing, all those customizations you can do.
Okay, for the each the name wise, we need to create a separate sheet.
Yeah.
Okay.
And but the trick is maintaining this axis
Got it.
for all of them. For that, what I did is go to this video. So here, no, this is my normal project. Yeah, in this video, go to this video.
Okay.
In this video, I have shown a way to make the axis constant in both the charts, because in this back end, this brown gray color, right? This is one sheet, and I have overlapped the other sheet over that. So now you are seeing the axis is again constant. To get that axis, I used LOD using reference lines. So use that logic to maintain the axis same for all of this.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Only then it will work. Otherwise, if you are not using the axes are automatic, right? You cannot make those axes fixed. That is where it gets tricky. So if you use that technique, what I have used, you can make the axis constant. By that, you can use individual sheets. Okay.
Okay. And can you please sort this one like as a waterfall? If in the profit is ended and like in the small bar, right? When the ended and the another one sales bar, is it possible to start in here?
You should take the negative values of it rather than positive. Try to take negative values, because see, here it is going upward from here. You cannot match that.
Yeah.
And again, okay, there is one more problem. Now, if it is in here and you want your profit to start from here, right?
Here in the like as an
then,
one for number.
Then create a Gantt bar by adding sales and profit.
Okay.
Now, when you add sales and profit, actually the Gantt bar will start somewhere here, right? And you put minus of profit in the size, it will come down till here.
Okay.
You're getting what I'm saying, right?
Yeah, I understand. Yeah. Then we need to change the color that one, right, as a background.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay?
Got it. Okay, got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Great. Yeah. Okay. There is any doubts? Last 5 ohms. 10:23. Seriously? Okay. Okay. Let's continue it till 10:30. Last 7 minutes. Any doubts, guys? Any doubts? Oh, there are no more doubts. Okay, then I think we have no more doubts. Then I can go ahead and end the session. Okay, again we'll be meeting on Monday, the same doubt session. Okay, if you have any doubts, we can discuss in there. Okay.